Hello, Umut here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to work on my art journal, Moleskine, and here are the tools that I plan to use. This time I have a clearer plan that I'm inspired by one of my paper pads. The sprays seep through a little bit from the previous page. I'm leaving one page empty before, just to make sure things don't get confused. And I'm using this paper pad that's from Graphic 45. I really love their paper pads. They are sort of vintage, very intricate, very creative images. So this is a little bit of a Venetian mask ball, Masquerade, and I love the colors, and I'm actually inspired by the colors that I see here. You see here the purple, over there is turquoise stars, and I opened my notebook. This is my color charts that I use for my acrylics, colored pencils. I'm not a so organized person, but at least I need this because I have a lot of paints. So I looked here and chose my colors. So I will go with my paper Artsy collection because they have the appropriate colors that I want to use. But before that I'm going to gesso my page because I want to get rid of this blue that is in the middle of the page, that is from my sprays. And after that I'm going to use my acrylics. I'm going to have pinks and blues like you saw on the paper pad. So I'm starting with this very pale pink, and you will see the names of the colors up on the screen while I'm using them. And later on I will use a darker pink and will continue with other colors. First I was using my brush to give color, but later on you will see I give up and use my hands. It was much easier. And I think I liked the dark a little bit more, so mainly I used that color. And now I'm using my Baltic blue to have a degradation from this dark pink to the blue. So and I am using my baby wipe to have a better blend. After I have the transition that I was looking for, I decided to do some stenciling. I'm using a darker purple amethyst, and I'm using this stencil that I cut with my digital cutter, and it has fleur-de-lis on it, and I'm using my sponge dabber. I am dabbing it into my paint, and I am dabbing it on my stencil. I am not moving it back and forth, I am moving it up and down. It's a dabbing motion because it's mixed media paint, it's fluid, it can seep through my stencil and ruin the image. Heavy body acrylics can be easier, but this color was the color I want, so I was careful. Now I'm using, and also you can use paste, modeling paste if you want, if you don't want to deal with this. Just put some paint in it and you can have a dimension. I didn't want a dimension this time. I'm using another light turquoise color, which is Mermaid, to do some stars. This is, again, I'm totally stealing from the paper pad. I saw this color of stars on the colors at the background, and I liked it a lot, so I'm just creating a similar look. And I steal with pride. Honestly, you can look at a lot of combinations and do exactly the same. Sometimes don't force yourselves to create from scratch. By copying, you learn a lot as well. You learn a lot of combinations. Next time you will feel much more confident to do something else from your mind. So both is fine. I sometimes have the idea in my mind, and I sometimes just go and copy something. I don't know, nature, something I see on a magazine, anything. And while I was chit-chatting, I finished the stars. I'm now using another color, cheesecake, to do some splashes in my sort of sky. Again, this color combination is completely inspired by that paper pad. I love it. I'm not going to do white splashes this time. I will do this color, and you will see there will be matchings from the images that I will take from that paper pad, like this. As you see, more or less, it's very much in line with my background, so it will be quite cohesive. I also took this page with the masks, so I'm going to cut out some masks, and my main images will be some girls from the paper pad. Honestly, I want to use it all because it's so beautiful, but we can't use it all in one page. I have these things, I don't know what they are called, from my stash. I bought it some time ago, and I decided to use it as a background to add some interest before I stick my images. I'm just coloring it to this cheesecake color because there is no white on my journal, and it will go very well with the background that I created. Now I have this sticker set again for the same collection, and I'm going to use elements from this sticker set as well. When I try to buy paper pads with sticker collections, because then it's much easier to create cohesive projects. And I love using stickers, it's so easy. I'm just finding images and using them as we go. I'll just put this behind this sticker. I have my cutouts and I will go around these edges with my black marker because I don't want the edges to show white, and also the cutting looks perfect when you go around the edges with a black marker, so it covers the flaws. I have these sticky ribbons that my friend sent me, and I find them very useful. It's like washi tape, you can use anywhere. I don't have washi tapes except a couple, and I decided to use this lace. Actually this lace is from my grandmother, so it's sort of a memory for me. It's nice to use it in my images. She's not with us anymore, but it's a nice way to remember her. And I'm going to color this with the same cheesecake color, and I'm using some water because it makes it easier and I use less paint. And after I stick them, again I'm looking all to this sticker set to see which sentiments there are. And I will use this and that basically wherever I find suitable. Now I decided to use this ribbon on this lace, and I will put my image like this. I will stick it on the other side as well. Then I am using this sticker that has nice sentiment on it below the ribbon. I'm just trying to create more interest, more dimension to the page. And behind my image I decided to use this sisal fiber. However, you will see in the end from the pictures that I didn't like it afterwards, and I took it out completely. Even a day after, I just ripped it off. It wasn't so difficult. You know what? If I tell you, when I create, sometimes I don't see things clearly, but when I watch afterwards, like a day passes and I look at the pictures, not the project itself, I see my faults and what could change clearly, more clearly. I don't know if it makes sense, but even when I am editing my videos, a lot of things come to me like, oh, I should have done this, done that. Maybe after some time, or maybe you are watching it, looking at it from a picture or video, it makes it more clear to me. But anyway, I'm just talking while I'm sticking it. So on the other side of the page I also wanted to have this woman, and also I am putting this sticker at the same time. And I didn't use the sisal fiber because both sides it was too much, and on one side I didn't like, so that's when I decided let's take it off completely. When I am sticking the images, I am also covering it with a matte medium completely because I will do some shading with my Faber-Castell Pit Brush marker, and it makes it much easier. I can just erase it if I'm not happy, and if I don't have matte medium, it won't work anyway. And I have these little masks that I cut from the paper, and I'm just deciding how many I want to have. I don't want to exaggerate because there are a lot of images already, so I think I'll just be fine with 2, and I'm going to stick them again with my matte medium. I just can't stop sticking things on this sticker set, so I decided to stick this as well. I am also trying to balance the colors as we go, and now I decided to stick this at the top of this curl. I am all about balance, so as I see, I'm just trying to balance the 2 pages. And I decided to have this sticker here as well because it's on the opposite side of the page, and I'm just using matte medium as well to make sure it doesn't fall off after. And I'm going to stick this mask here on the corner as well. And then I decided to have some glitter on the other side of the page because I had the ribbon on the right side, and I decided to use these shiny jewels, just a few of them, not exaggerating because I have too many things. And there were these corners on the sticker set again, and I decided to use them on top of my page, just 2 of them, not all of them. I mean, there were not 4 anyway, but there's a lot of crowd at the bottom of the page, so I can use this on the top of the page. And the last thing I will do is just do my shading around my girls and the stickers with this Faber-Castell marker, and then I will be done. So here we are. I hope you enjoyed the page. I certainly did. It was a lot of fun to bring it together from the paper pad and sticker set. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe to my channel so I know you like my videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well to see pictures and what I am up to. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.